the fact that I can freely spin this, but we'll see. Oh snap. So now we are removing the distributor cap.
In the previous episode, we discovered a misfire after the 3,000-kilometer road trip. Today, I'm taking the engine apart to find the cause. I was expecting something simple, but what I found completely changed the direction of this build. Watch until the end to see what I found.
So struggling to take this cable out wherever it goes. Oh, I think it's not even the right one that I was going for. Let's check this out. So new plan, just gonna remove the spark plug cables on this end. Alright, this will have to sit aside somewhere. Okay, so what's gonna be next? I'll try to remove this plate and remove the rotor. So let me get my Allen keys. This is where we are in the process. So now what I'm removing is gonna be this pulley so that I can fully remove this cover, because I'm after removing this guy here, meaning the water pump also has to go. So for now I'll just be removing this pulley and this pulley, and then afterwards we'll be removing this cover here. So let's go. So this is where we are. I removed the cover and exposed the whole timing belt, which is what we will be removing next. But I'm still deciding if I should remove the exhaust as well. But yeah, we are fully exposed on this side. Just need to remove those two sensors. And I think there is another pipe back there that needs removal. And then the head is ready to be removed from the block. So let's move on to the next step. I think it would be to remove the timing chain. So let me put the car back into timing, and then we'll see how it goes. I'd like to believe the car is in mark on timing. So this one here is pointing to the right place. This one up here also pointing to the right place. So what's left is for me to just remove this guy, and the cam belt will be out. Cam belt is out. So what's next now is gonna be the cover, this cover right here, the timing cover, and then we'll see what's underneath there. One thing that's a little bit concerning is the fact that I can freely spin this, but we'll see. So this is how it looks. I don't see anything serious as yet. Let's see. Oh snap.
I thought today's video was going to end with a simple repair. Instead, I found something that completely changes the direction of this build. The cam is in two parts, so I'm now looking for a new cam. Or maybe I might as well replace the whole engine with the M20. Let me know down in the comment section below, what do you think I should do?